In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to view history in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva and come to your home dashboard. So look over to the left-hand column of options and click on home if you're not there. Once you're home, click on the project that you would like to view history for. So once you've selected the project, then you need to look over to the top left corner of the editing page and click on File. Once you've clicked on File, scroll all the way down to Version History, which is a Canva Pro feature, by the way. So you will need Canva Pro in order to be able to use this, but click on Version History, and now you will be able to, on the right hand side, view all of your changes. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or any issues, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below.